days to come my way. Say me how to pray for better days to come my way. Say we go to pray for better days to come our way. Say we go to pray for better days. I don't see hustle, I don't see struggle, I don't see a brother man don't break bottle. We don't see suffer, we don't see fire. We see the pray for better days, make we go higher. Yeah. Success is a process. You see this very good life to surely come with enough stress. We beg job for the success, cause if the night too long, some no go see the sunset. The story long, but we go surely tell them. The journey rough, but we go surely get there. Cause them not really know, them not really know. They say what goes up must come down, but Papa God I beg, now let us calm down. They say what goes up must come down, Papa God I beg, now let us calm down. Yes. I did pray for better days to come my way. Say me how to pray for better days to come my way. Say we go to pray for better days to come our way. Say we go to pray for better days. Sometimes I just wish I be the president, so I make good choices for my people them. Free schools and jobs for my people them. Traveling all around the world, it go the easy then. Children no go they up for them street them. Treatment for hospital go they free them. No hunger and poverty for my people them. Life full of joy and happiness and fulfillment. Hey, but that not be the case, oh. Because the richer get to richer, power getting poorer. That not the case, oh. But not job be my president. That's why the top and I'm a resident. My music go the hand to my people them. Even after life, wallahi I go inspire them. And to all our enemies, now only goes to fire them. I did pray for better days to come my way. Say me how to pray for better days to come my way. Say we go to pray for better days to come our way. Say we go to pray for better days. Sometimes I do wish I be the president. Yeah, yeah. So I make good choices for my people them. Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. I don't see hustle, I don't see struggle. I don't see hustle, I don't see struggle. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Say Susie.
Trigger-happy approach to crowd control. That's according to Amnesty International.
50,000 children under the age of 5 could starve to death in the region. This is the military campaign against jihadist group Boko Haram continues.
They have nothing in hand for them to eat.
Message is being sent to the state and central government to do the needful.
We have a society that works for only the few, and only the few privileged minority. Cost of living is going up. It's skyrocketing. People cannot afford even a square meal at the street. And we have a ruling class that are paying themselves jumbo allowances, jumbo salaries, running to millions of naira on a monthly basis. Our destiny is in our hands to take charge of our lives. We have had enough already.
Dozens of refugees and aid workers were killed, and hundreds reportedly wounded in northeastern Nigeria.
Some of the pictures are just too horrific to broadcast.
Fortunately, the strike was conducted.
The president has described it as an operational mistake, and it would appear the president is satisfied with the explanation given by the military.
Make sure that the one who survived this ordeal don't die because of lack of treatment.
This number is on the upswing as healthcare sector challenges get worse.
Nigeria Association of Resident Doctors in Abuja have staged a protest.
The stress, you deny yourself of everything just to come out and render selfless service to humanity. And this government doesn't seem to value it.
are now in a guerrilla war situation. In the mosque, you don't know who is praying next to you. In the church, you don't know who is sitting praying next to you.
After a string of military successes, Nigeria has declared victory over Boko Haram. A pronouncement some Nigerians say was hasty.